Let's solve this question together. Now look at what you are given. We are given that 3 to the power of what? Into log s base 3 or to the power of 2 plus s to the power of what? Log s base 3 is equals to what? 162. We are asked to look for the value of x. Right? Now at this point, what you have to do, don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself. Okay? Now observe what is common in this equation. We can say that log s base 3 is common. Let log s base 3 represent any what? Variable of your what? Choice. Okay? So I'm not wrong. Okay? I can say that let log s base 3, okay, equals to what? P, because P is my favorite what? Variable, right? Now this is in logarithm form. Now I want to make s the subject of the formula from here. I want to remove from logarithm form to exponential form. Okay? Remember that there's a formula that if you have what? Log b base a equals to c. It means that a to the power of c is equals to what? B. Now you can see that I've removed this from what? Exponential form. Sorry, I removed from logarithm form to exponential form. So the same thing that I put here, log what? Log s base 3 is equals to p. It implies that 3 to the power of p is equals to what? X. Wow. This is pocket genius. Amazing. I love this, right? Now let's go back to the question. The question is what? The question is what? 3 to the power of what? Log s base 3 or to the power of 2. I will know that log s base 3 is p. So I have here as p and the power was what? Square. As you can see here, plus what is x? S is 3 to the power of p. This is what? 3 to the power of what? P. And the power here was what? Log what? Log s base 3. And log s base 3 is p. So this will now become multiplied by this will p multiplied by what? P, okay? Equals to what? 60 what? Sorry. 100 and what? 160 what? 2. Okay? Now p plus p is p square. So now this is what? 3 to the power of p square, okay? Plus 3 to the power of p square, okay, is equals to 160 what? 2. Alright, this is beautiful, right? Now what are we going to do? These are common, right? I'm not also wrong, okay? If I let 3 to the power of p square equals to what? Q. And now this is q plus q is equals to what? 160 what? 2. Q plus q give us 2q, right? Equals to 162, okay? Now let's find the value of q, okay? Because if you can know the value of q, we know the value of what? P. So if we divide here by 2, also divide here by what? 2. 2 will go out, so q is equals to what? 80 what? 1. This is the value of q. Now let's recall, okay? Let's recall, okay, recall that 3 to the power of p square is equals to what? Q. As you can see from here, right? And our q is what? Is 81. So see that 3 to the power of p square, okay, is equals to what? 81. Now, do you know we can put 81 in index form because we know that 3 multiplied to 4 places is what? 81. So we can put this as what? 3 to the power of p square, okay, is equals to 3 to the power of what? 4. 3 to the power of 4 represent what? 81. Since the bases are the same, let's equal the powers. We can do without the bases, let them enjoy themselves. So p square is equals to what? 4. So by taking square root of both sides, okay, taking square root of both sides, see that this will cancel out this. So p is equals to plus minus what? 2. This is the value of p. But remember, we are not asked to solve for q, neither what? P. We are asked that what is the value of x. But luckily that we are gotten that p is equals to plus minus 2. It's very easy for us to find the value of what? X. This is amazing. Now from here, okay, we know from here, right? So let me remove from here. We know from here that our s was what? Our s was equals to 3 to the power of what? P. But we are knowing that our p is plus minus what? 2. It means that p is equals to 2 or p is equals to minus what? 2, right? So let's see when what? When p is equals to 2. So it means that s will be equals to 3 to the power of 2. And 3 to the power of 2 simply means 3 times 3, which is what? 9. So our s is equals to what? 9. And this is one of the value of x. Now let's see when p is minus what? When p is minus 2, let's see. Now when p is minus 2, we know that our s is equal to 3 to the power of p. Now when p is equals to minus 2, we see that s will be equals to 3 to the power of minus 2. Now this will take us to one of the properties of indices. That we have what? We have a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 divided by a to the power of m. So this now becomes what? S is equals to 3, sorry, s 1 divided by 3 to the power of what? 3. So our s will be equals to 1 divided by what? 9. And this is another value of x that satisfy this equation. So s is equals to what? 9. So s is equals to 9, or s is equals to 1 over what? 1 over what? 9. So these are the values of x that satisfy this equation. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do you want to like, comment, and share it to loved ones or others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so anytime there are exciting videos you will notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.